Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Omar and today I will show you how you can use the flash fill feature in Excel. You can use this feature to automatically extract or combine values after applying a certain pattern to them. And now let's go into Excel to see how we can use that feature. So here in the first example, I have the city/zip code for each of these 5 cities in France. And I want to extract the zip code from these lines using the flash fill feature. So first of all, in order to find the flash fill feature, I will go into data, and here under data tools you can see the flash fill here. So in order to use the flash fill, I need first to tell the flash fill feature what do I need to extract. In this case I want to extract the zip code, so I will write the zip code for the first line. Then I will select the second line and I'll press on flash fill. And as you can see, it extracted the zip code from each of the lines on the left side. Second, let's say that I want to generate emails for employees in my company, and I want this email to be composed of first name, last name, and a number. So first of all, I will write the format that I want my emails to be in. So I will start by first name, Jonas dot Carnwald dot the employee number 1 at xyz.com. So this is the format that I want: first name, last name, employee number at xyz.com. And now the same thing, I will press on flash fill. And as you can see, it took the first name for each one, then dot last name dot the employee number at xyz.com. But this function has some limitations, as I will show you in this example. So here in this example, I have some statements and I want to extract the numbers from these lines. So I will start by guiding the flash fill feature what I want to extract. So I want to extract the number. In this case, Africa has 54 countries. I want to extract 54. Then I will press on flash fill. And as you can see, in row 2, it only extracted the number after the point. Here it extracted the correct number here, and here it also extracted the numbers after the points. So how can I solve this issue? I will have to guide the flash fill feature to also include the points. So I will write 3.5 here. I will correct it. Then I'll press enter, and automatically it will update the other lines that didn't include the dots before, and now it includes the dots. So sometimes if one row is not enough to guide the flash fill feature, you need to at least assist it by filling a second row, especially when you have combination of real numbers and decimal numbers, as in this case. I hope this video was helpful for you to learn this new flash fill feature, which you can use to fill in data automatically, and it can be really helpful, especially when you have hundreds of columns that you want to fill and they have something in common, so you can use the flash fill feature. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like and share this video.